ATAS versus Exocharts, which order flow platform wins? Choosing the right order flow platform can transform how you analyze market depth and volume without missing critical trade signals. Both the ATAS and Exocharts offer unique approaches to order flow analysis. ATAS and Exocharts are leading order flow platforms designed to visualize market data in real time. The core difference lies in the user interface and data presentation, with ATAS focusing on detailed volume analytics and Exocharts emphasizing intuitive visual clarity. ATAS is a comprehensive order flow platform that specializes in advanced volume analysis and footprint charts. It processes market data by aggregating trades and displaying detailed volume profiles, delta, and bid-ask imbalances. Traders benefit from its customizable charts and integrated tools like volume clusters and time and sales. ATR supports multiple asset classes and exchanges, making it versatile for futures, stocks, and crypto markets. Its strength lies in deep data granularity and extensive analytical features, ideal for professional traders who rely on volume-based decision-making. However, the platform can be complex for beginners due to its steep learning curve and extensive options. The interface is powerful but may require time to master. ATAR suits experienced traders focused on volume, footprint, and order flow nuances who want a data-rich environment to refine their strategies. Exocharts offers a visually intuitive order flow platform that prioritizes clarity and ease of interpretation. It delivers real-time volume and order flow data through clean footprint charts, heat maps, and volume bars. Exocharts emphasizes user experience with a modern interface that simplifies complex market data, making it accessible for a wider range of traders. The platform integrates smoothly with popular data feeds and brokers, providing seamless setup and reliable performance. While it may not have the exhaustive analytical depth of ATAS, Exocharts excels in delivering actionable insights quickly with features like automatic pattern recognition and customizable alerts. Its strength is in balancing powerful order flow visualization with user-friendly design. This makes Exocharts ideal for traders who want effective order flow tools without the complexity, including active day traders and swing traders seeking fast market reads. Comparing ATAS and Exocharts, ATAS stands out for traders needing detailed volume analytics and customizable footprint charts, perfect for deep market structure analysis. It suits professionals who prioritize data granularity over simplicity. Exocharts, on the other hand, offers a cleaner, more intuitive interface that speeds up decision-making, ideal for traders who value clarity and quick interpretation. In real-world scenarios, ATAS may require more setup time but rewards with in-depth insights, while Exocharts provides faster access to key order flow signals with less complexity. The trade-off is between ATAS's powerful, data-heavy environment and Exochart's streamlined, user-friendly approach. Both platforms support multiple assets, but your choice depends on whether you prefer extensive customization or straightforward visualization. Choose ATAS if you need comprehensive volume analysis and are comfortable navigating a feature-rich platform for professional-grade order flow insights. Exocharts is recommended for traders seeking a clean, intuitive order flow platform that delivers quick, actionable market insights without overwhelming complexity. Both platforms excel, so select based on your trading style and preference for depth versus simplicity.